Hey there everyone, welcome back. And for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you secrets that could really transform how you make coffee. Now, if you're watching this, chances are you've been scrolling and looking for coffee recipes. And you've spent hours looking for that recipe and trying to make that perfect brew. But here's the thing, the real magic in having a great cup of coffee is not on the recipe. It's about mastering few key techniques that make your every cup incredible no matter what the recipe is. So if you're interested with that, then keep on watching. If you're new here in my channel, my name is Faye and I talk about coffee and the business behind coffee. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for my upcoming videos. Now, let's start with the basics. If you want to have unforgettable cup of coffee every time, you need to understand that it starts with the beans. Different origins and different roast profile of your beans could give you different aromas and different flavors that no recipe could ever replace. Now, in my face-to-face coffee business trainings, may it be in Cebu or outside Cebu, I actually discuss and cover the different coffee bean types and how they impact the taste of your cup of coffee. When you know your beans, you basically would know how to create custom blends, and basically you get to have that skill of making your own coffee recipe, making your coffee for your home use or for business uniquely yours. Now, if you want to brew a great cup of coffee every time, it's not actually about the recipe, but in your skill of brewing. And during my face to face training, I basically discussed these three things: that's your grind size, the ratio, and the time of extraction. Just to give you a background, grind size is how fine and how coarse your coffee bean would be. The finer it is, the faster the extraction, meaning the stronger your coffee would be. And as for the ratio, it would be how many grams of coffee would you be mixing your coffee with water. The more concentrated or the more diluted it is, it will impact in the taste of your coffee. And lastly, the time of extraction. The number of minutes or hours you expose your coffee to the water impacts its taste. When you understand these three things, the grind size, the ratio, and the time of extraction, no matter what coffee bean is there, no matter where you are, for as long as you have the brewing tool, you'll be able to brew a great cup of coffee every time. So instead of searching for coffee recipes, find a way for you to be able to learn those three things: grind size, ratio, and the time of extraction. And of course, now you have great beans, now you have already the good brewing skill. Another thing that you should also learn and know instead of looking for coffee recipes is you should know brewing techniques. Now, there are different brewing techniques. There are manual and there are also machine operated. And know that brewing technique matters. Brewing methods such as pour over, French press, espresso machine, mocha pot, aeropress, each bring out different qualities in your coffee. So sometimes when friends give me coffee beans as a gift, I actually try first pour over and then I try it with the espresso machine. Those two give different flavors and aroma to the coffee, even if it's on the same coffee beans. And just like any skill, these methods or these brewing techniques actually require practice and training. That's why I always say that instead of looking for coffee recipes and trying to follow it step by step, learn how to brew a cup of coffee, go to the nearest barista training that there is in your place. Or if not, I'd gladly have you in my face-to-face coffee business trainings. I usually do have in Cebu regularly. Here are the schedules. And if you're outside Cebu, I do also have schedules. Please check this one. In our hands-on sessions, we do both the manual and the espresso machine. Why? Because either for its personal use or coffee business, both could create a great cup of coffee. And if you're not ready to invest yet in an espresso machine, know that you can still make a great cup of coffee for yourself or for selling with just a manual brewing method. So here's the thing: stop looking for coffee recipes. Instead, understand the beans, enhance your coffee extraction skills, grind size, ratio, and the time of extraction, and practice different brewing techniques. When you have those three and when you know those three, whatever beans you're given, whatever type of brewing tool you're given, you'll be able to brew a great cup of coffee every time. And a bonus, you'll be able to create your own recipe uniquely for your cafe. That makes a customer always going back to your cafe. Again, if you are planning to start your own coffee business, I have face to face coffee business trainings. Please check here the schedule. We just don't talk about coffee and the brewing of coffee, we also talk about the business side of coffee. Expect to learn about costing, pricing, and profit planning in all these face to face trainings. And I hope to see you in one of those trainings. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!